The first thing you'll notice in this home is the really large spaces. It's a terrace home, but because it's on the end of a group of 4, it has lots of extra land around it and the benefit of windows from the east, which just drench this area in morning sun. It's a beautiful spot to be. The owners have done a quality renovation to the kitchen, the living and dining areas downstairs, and it creates this wonderful modern feel. Upstairs there are new wool carpets with a huge master bedroom suite. All bedrooms are really big and they all have built-in robes. There's a big grassed courtyard to the north side of the home, which means you can soak up the sun in the winter months. There's also an undercover alfresco to the rear of the home when you want to get away from the elements. The important thing is there are no strata levies. This is a small group of 4 terrace homes and it is so well located. Walk to the Claremont Quarter, walk to the Swanlawn Village and all of the premier local and private schools in the area. It's a wonderful spot to live.